Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Former champions Arnett Gardens and Waterhouse will square off in the feature match of a doubleheader in today's Jamaica Premier League at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. The Junglists sit third on 30 points and can move back into second with a win and be 2 points off leaders Mount Pleasant. Waterhouse are 7th in the standings with 21 points and are coming off a 3-0 win over Montego Bay United, while Arnett are on a 4-game winning streak. The last time the teams met, Arnett ran out 2-0 winners. The match kicks off at 7:30. Meanwhile, at 5 p.m. in a repeat of last season's final, champions Harbourview oppose Dunbeholden. The Stars of the East are 5th on 23 points, with 2 wins in their last 5 matches, while Dunbeholden are on 22 points and sit 6th. The St. Catherine-based club outscored Falkland 4-2 in the last round to break a 2-match losing streak. In the first round, Harbourview were 4-1 winners. Meanwhile, Cavaliers' Colin Anderson netted his second hat-trick of the season to bring his tally of goals to 14 to help Cavalier Thrash Chapelton Maroons 4-1 at the Ashenheim Stadium on Sunday. Anderson opened the scoring in the 38th minute before following up with strikes in the 68th and 77th minutes for a 3-goal lead. Evan Taylor scored for Chapelton in the 84th minute, but Ronaldo Webster restored Cavaliers' 3-goal cushion in stoppage time. Cavalier are on 32 points, 3 behind Mount Pleasant.
I feel really, really good knowing that I set a target for the season and I'm going for it. So that is the best feelings. Those games that I didn't score, I go back in training and I fix it and I keep working hard in training and I come out here and I deliver.
At the same venue, Portmore United blanked Vere United 2-0 thanks to an own goal from Alvin Strawn and one from Lamar Walker, who was netting his first goal since returning from USL team Miami FC. Former Germany and United States manager Jurgen Klinsmann has been appointed head coach of South Korea. The 58-year-old, who was a World Cup winner as a player with Germany in 1990, has agreed a 3.5-year deal. His contract will take him up to and including the 2026 World Cup finals, which are being held in Canada, Mexico and the United States. His first game in charge will be a home friendly against Colombia in Ulsan on March 24. Klinsmann, who scored 47 goals in 108 games for Germany, succeeds Paulo Bento, who ended 4 years as head coach by stepping down after guiding South Korea to the last 16 of last year's World Cup in Qatar. A 26th Test century from former captain Kane Williamson has given New Zealand a fighting chance heading into the final day of their second Test against England in Wellington. The Williamson, top scored with 132 as New Zealand, asked to follow on, made 483 all out in their second innings to set England 258 runs to win the Test and the series. Williamson got support from Daryl Mitchell, who made 54, and wicketkeeper Tom Blundell, who contributed 90. The hosts, however, will be kicking themselves as they lost their last 5 wickets for just 28 runs, including that of Williamson. Jack Leach ended with 5 for 157 for England, while 4 other bowlers had a wicket each. In their second innings, England reached stumps at 48 for 1, with Ben Duckett 23 and Ollie Robinson 1. The not-out batters. Zach Crawley is the wicket to go so far, being bowled by Tim Southey for 24. And England, they made 435 for 8 declared in their first innings. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shamela.